Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did the medium twist on my natural hair. It is definitely that time of the year where you're like, I need a style to just last me throughout the week that I don't have to do much in the morning, but I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on it. Honey, I'm right with you, okay? I am going for more of like a curved part for this hairstyle because I only plan on wearing these twists for a little over a week, and then I'm going to take my hair down and wash them. The reason behind it is that I have really found out that my hair just loves to be shampooed. If I am not washing my hair at least every week and get into it before the 2-week mark, my hair is like super flaky and dry. So I'm just hitting my hair up with the sections. I am not making my part super crisp. The reason being is that when you do twists on wet hair, it is actually, in my opinion, very difficult to really see all of the parts, to see like the precision. So I'm not stressing myself about it because I just need to get through it. I'm not trying to spend a whole lot of time on my hair, but I really want something that's going to leave my hair moisturized as well as a good style for the week. When I am doing any type of mini twist on my hair or twist in general, as you all could see, I will use like a rat tail comb just to comb through my ends. I do not like twisting my hair up knowing that I have even the smallest tangles in my hair. I learned that this kind of helps with not having as much breakage and just making sure that when you're styling your hair is just fully detangled. No one wants to style their hair with a bunch of tangles in because that is definitely a recipe for disaster. By the way, I am using the Dew products today. I'm using the Dew Cream and the Dew Mousse. I will absolutely make sure I have all of the products and tools I'm using linked in the description box below. So like I said, I am going for medium-sized twists, so more small but also kind of medium as well. I'm not doing them too small. If I would have did these twists like super small, I would have been sitting here doing my hair for 3 hours. I'm not about that life anymore, okay? Well, at least not right at this point in time. I am typically going for styles that are efficient, that lasts, and that doesn't take a whole lot of time, and that is also effective, and it gets the job done for the week. And I promise you, even though these twists are medium, by the end you're gonna think that they're pretty much mini twists, okay? When you get to the ends of your hair, you definitely want to make sure that you are detangling as you go, but you also want to make sure that you are really coiling those ends around your fingers to really seal the twist into place. When you get to the front of your hair, I promise you're going to find the light at the end of the tunnel. I promise you, when you get to the front of your head, things just go super quick because you really don't have to do a whole bunch of filling to see where to part your hair. You literally can see very clearly in the front of your head, which is why I typically say the front for last, because I'm not as stressed as I was with doing all of the parting and the exercising in the back of my head. Things for me just gets easier and they get super quicker. What I like to do is, when I'm doing hairstyles that do usually take me a little bit longer than 45 minutes, I always like to listen to music, put on a podcast, talk on the phone. Sometimes I will even watch a TV show because it really makes wash day a little bit more relaxing. And finally, when I get to that last twist, honey, my hands just go in overdrive and I'm just twisting. By the way, this video is in real time as well. This is my natural speed of twisting. And voila, honey, all of the twists are done. However, I am going to go ahead and set my edges because you all know your girl likes to sit up under the dryer to set everything in place. So after sitting up under the dryer for about 15 minutes, I actually took those clips off so that it didn't leave an imprint in my hair. And this is exactly what my twists are looking like. As you all can see, my hair looks moisturized. If I would have taken these twists out to do a twist out, you would have seen my curls be super defined. Even though my parts are not super crisp, doesn't it look straight? I told you all, do not worry because your twists will swell, but they look so perfect and uniform. But absolutely not, they're not perfect. They are as natural as our natural hair can be. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.